Hey y'all, another TikTok shop update. I know it's not as good as some other people's, but my first $10. So right now I'm at a point where I am making consistent sales almost. 10 days in I had my first sale, and then between that was like what, Friday? Between Friday and now it's what, Tuesday? I've gotten like consistent. I have like a $1 commission. It's like almost $2, 1.85. So unless you hit the next dollar, they won't tell you. So it might be 10 or 11, honestly. And then I had like a $4 day and then another $4 day basically. So making sales consistently in the first what, 2 weeks of doing this. So it is possible. And what I've been doing is posting 5 to 6 times a day. Now I'm doing 6. I got 2 sales on the lavalier mic and then one on the nebulizer, which I need to make more videos for that, and then one on the portable storage. I need to make more videos on that. I already returned the nebulizer and the portable storage, but I did record like B-roll of like me using the product so I can make more videos with that. I just can't like hold it up and talk in the video anymore. But so that's what I've been doing as a cheat code. Like I record a few talking. I'm seeing what performs better, and honestly, the ones without me talking, I think are the ones that are performing better. Except for the mic, obviously. The mic is one that I've had since like for like 3 years, so I don't have to return that one. But I was sitting next to my humidifier and it was loud, and then I put in the mic and then you can hear it. So I did one in the shower. I did some other ones. I thought the shower one was gonna do way better, but it didn't. I might do one like on the highway. I kind of live off a highway. So I might do one standing behind the highway or something like that, but we'll see. But those are the products that are doing really well right now. And then I've been getting comments, only like 1 or 2 comments on the videos that I've been posting videos about the product too. So I have 2 comments in my drafts that I need to make videos for other products. But I feel like with TikTok Shop, it's just gonna be one of those things where you just post, and eventually the algorithm is gonna just reward you. So I have some new products I've been testing, and I went live yesterday and got a violation only on like a minute and 30 seconds of my live, even though it's on for an hour. And I got a lot of engagement in the live. Not a lot of engagement. A lot of people watched, and not a lot of people talked. I talked about this book, and no sales though. So it wasn't really worth the time. And I feel like going live, it makes it more like a job. However, people do say that's where they're making all their money right now because sales are low. So I might try lives more, but I don't want to do it yet. I don't want to keep getting violations. I don't even know what I said. They show you a clip of what you said though, but I didn't even say anything crazy, so I don't know. But it's good. I'm making consistent sales. That's the goal. I know some people have made like, $100 their first week or whatever their first week, and that's not what I've been making. But I definitely said I was gonna wait and update y'all when I make like $100 or something. But I want to get in the habit of posting on YouTube regularly. I'm trying to post almost every day, even multiple times a day. This month at least, for sure. I'm doing baby steps this month. So I'm like, let me just do another update because I already, posted we're doing a trading challenge. So we're doing it, and we're doing this affiliate marketing challenge. So updating y'all on the challenges. So it's been good, honestly. My first goal is just to get consistent sales. Even if it's just like $1 a day, $2 a day, $4 every other day, $1 every other day, but just something consistently, not like just that one-off sale and then just not getting anything. That is really the goal. And yeah, I'm manifesting it. I'm manifesting a good couple bands this month. I'll make a video on that after the success or the tragicness of the quantum leap journey I'm on right now. But I'm feeling good. And, one day, like I said, a video can just pop off and go crazy. And then same with YouTube. So that's why we're doing both. We're making the content here and there. But yeah, so I'm making sales consistently. Not a lot, but I'm making them. And post that content. I suggest posting at least 5 times a day if you're gonna start TikTok Shop. If you cannot do that, do what you can. Obviously, do what you can because it's out there. It might take you a little longer to blow up, but it's out there. I think a lot of people who made $100 in the first week or whatever were posting like 10 times a day. Maybe they just had better videos than me. Especially a lot of the people I've seen like that are YouTubers or dropshippers. So obviously they have experience making videos, creating content, doing things already. So I always hated creating content, as y'all can tell in my up and down YouTube journey, or unless I'm just talking about trading or talking about things like this, is a little easier to me. But like making content, like selling it and like being unique and being new and starting trends is something I'm learning through TikTok Shop. It's something I'm used to. I can't just go on TikTok Shop and say, hey, guess what? Like I can here. So that's where we are. But I'm enjoying it, and I've been posting. Every like 3 or 4 days, I post one like random not shop video, but for the most part, it's all shop videos. And my non-shop videos have not even been doing well, so it's not even, people tell you to throw in your own video in there. Unless you're trying to be a real influencer, then yes, throw other videos in there. But if you're just trying to make money on TikTok Shop, don't. Just do shop videos. But yeah, if you're going to do influencer, get brand deals. But you still can as just a TikTok Shop person. Like, brands want people who make salesy videos. So you don't have to do that. But if you want to build like that influencer Alex Earl E aesthetic, you should do like more lifestyle. Throw in a few, day in the lives. Throw in a few comedy, you and your partner, you and your dog, whatever. Throw in other stuff in there than just shop videos. Do that what you will, and I'll keep y'all posted on this first $100. I feel like it's going to be made very soon. So y'all will be seeing me again very soon.